to Aakriti back. Today the kid magic coming. I have blocked the best friend making some video, so I decided to make a video kid magic. I'm the kid magic coming. When I sleep, then I wake up and I would decorate the tree. No, first I would decorate the tree when the video is over. Then I would sleep. And then I will wake up and go to the living room and to find out what is in the present. Okay? So, let's start the video. No, I'm not going to start. I'm very clever. I have to do anything first. I have the lights and dark. I think this is the board better. One column. But we need dark now, and that's why I'm making it a box. And we have some glue, ear pierce, we put it here. And we have some glue, mix it up. We can also make like this and make an activity with it. And then we're gonna make this video activity, and we have the dot to stick it. And we have some lots of decoration. I have some lots of decoration. Look at it. Let me put it in my hand. I'm going to show you one color because I have 8 colors. I have that gray and golden and red. So we have lots of here golden and red and table. So I'm going to put them here. That's why I'm showing only one each three colors, and we have them done. Now let's start the video. Okay, we need them this. We gonna then now this side. I already did this side. Now I'm gonna do this side. Now I'm gonna do them. I'm gonna do this side. We don't have this side done. Now this side. We don't have this side done. Oh, why am I taking the glue? Let me put the glue. Now let's go here. Oh no. When I practice a lot, I put my thumb like this. Now eat the other side. Okay, now almost done. Now, oh no! Yeah. This side. Now this side. Jingle bell on the way. Then we're in the middle. Now it's perfect. We have this thing to this side. Maybe this side. This side. We have 2 more to go. Then we're gonna do the activity things. Now we're gonna do here. Oh yeah, we had to do here. And I'm done. Now we're done detecting. Now we're gonna fold it and we're gonna put them glue. And buy it here. Sorry, I'm really crazy. Now the side. Yeah. Now we're done. Now we have to stick it. Now we have to pull it very hard. Now we done. Now we open. Now we done. I I'll just put this here. I'm Kushua. Keep saying that Kushua. That's really pretty. Maybe I can stick it right here by the jar. It'll look good. Let's put gray. Then, now we have to do one more red. Put this, golden, and then silver, green, red. Now let's put it right here. There. Now let's put it aside. So this is done, the sticker are done. We have the candle box, and in this we were gonna decorate it look nice. So first we had to use glue. Then my glue. That's a lot of glue. Right here, on here. Now we're done. Now we're stick. We are doing sticking. Now it's done. The down part not done. Wait a minute, I have this not done. Oh, why sticking? No. Now I'm done. Now we're gonna put some stickers on this box because it looks pretty. I'm gonna use this, not the big ones. Yo. A bird fine. Yeah. One more. And I'm gonna put some stickers. It matches the color, so I'm gonna put green. The golden bird. The last one is orange. Done. Do you like my box? We're done here. So let's do it right here. Let's put some things. Some circles. Now we're done. So we have to tip it over and put the glue right here. We have to use every time glue. I don't know why. Ooh. Oh no, my hand. Hold it. Now we need it. Now we put the glue very fast because this is very fast. And I'm gonna cute it. And now we're done. Ooh. Now I'm gonna use this. More. The sticker fall. Now I'm gonna put this. Now I'm gonna put it all carrot. I put it right in the middle. Now we need this side a little bit. Just fall down. Oh no, I'm not gonna stick. We put some purple. Favorite color. But my favorite color is pink. Oh no. No, we don't need all sticks. Oh my god. It's not sparkly, but it's very golden. We don't need that. And we're gonna put it right here. Let me get. I'm gonna turn behind. And now like you. So we're gonna put them underneath the pendants. And underneath they are not things. They're like in I don't know. Right. That time I opened it, I did something, but I didn't know what it's called. It's a perfect gift. When you open it, it don't never tie it again. So, bye guys. Bye. Happy holiday, and then when we dip in the morning, we find the Christmas. I'm gonna tell my friend. So bye. Merry Christmas to you. Bye.